Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. Today we are going to give us a list of some tokens and coins we should pay attention to. As we said from the beginning of this series, that if you do not believe in the wealth transfer, you are advised to just skip this video. You don't need to follow, you don't need to believe. This is meant for those who believe, and if you believe, please do well to follow us. Today is the 14th day of June 2026. If you are still coming across this video from today to the end of June, you are still on track. It's not too late, and so please do not be among those who will regret and say, oh, I saw one video that was saying something about positioning well for the wealth transfer and I refuse to pay attention. Something great, something huge is going to happen this 2026 in the crypto world. So many people have been asking us, which assets should we invest in? But before we continue, let us take clearly that this is not a financial advice. Do well to do your own due diligence research as to what to invest in. These tokens are many, but we are going to just pay attention to the ones we can afford. So if you are yet to register for your Roku account, you can do that. The video will be popping up in the top right corner of this video. So make sure you watch that video, register your account, verify your account, deposit money, and then you can begin to trade. Know that nothing in this video should be taken as a financial advice. So for those who have been asking us, what should we invest in? I will tell you, if you have your local account, please do well. If you want to go into it, make sure you have a portion of Terra Classic, Lunk, portion of Wikicat, Creep, some call it Creepy, then Shiba Inu. You can see these four in Roku. You can deposit your money and buy direct. You can also see Pepe. You can also see Bonk. Okay, I think Bonk. Yeah, okay, look at Bonk here, that's Solana. Then these are some you can see. Then those you cannot see, you can watch the video on how to deposit money and buy your first crypto. That is in Remitano, and then how to transfer your asset to your Web3 wallet, and then buy any of these coins that is not in Roku, that you cannot buy direct with your Naira. Now we are going to provide the correct contract addresses to each of these tokens. So for instance, these are some of the curated tokens with their contract addresses. In the Solana network, you can see some of them. In the Ethereum network, then we have the BEP20 network, which is BNB, Binance Chain. Now you can see the first set are the SMC DAO, and the first in this list is the Wikicat. As you can see, the builder of Wikicat is Samapi, and is the one that built the SMC DAO. So all these tokens in the SMC DAO, they are going to do well both in the short run and in the long run. So do well to look into them and see which you are ready to invest in. All of them are good. Then we also have some very low market cap gems that you can also pay attention to in one of our videos. We've already paid attention to them when in how to add tokens and swap in Web3 wallet, BNB Tiger, BNB Lion, BNB Tiger, BNB Frog, Digimon Rabbit, then Phenomena Cat. Okay, Phenomena Cat is also part of the SMC DAO. Then we have other tokens that that their own chain. We have HBAR, that is Edera. We have Chainlink, we have Arbitrum, we have Render, we have Fetch AI. Okay, Trump Official is in Solana. We have World Liberty Finance, which is WLFI. Then we have Millennia, which is the coin of the wife of President Trump. Then we have VEG, XVG. Now, one thing you should pay attention to. So, in any token that you hear that the Trump family are connected to, or the Trumps, they are the owner of this coin or this token, or they are holding a significant portion of this token, or is interested in this token, please do not joke with them. For instance, we have the WLFI, Trump official, then we have the Millennium. These coins, do not joke with them. If you can afford them, please do well to hold a portion of them. With $1, even less than $1, you can still get trillions, quadrillions of BNB Tiger, BNB Lion, BNB Frog, Digimon Rabbit, and so on and so forth. So do well. If you are interested, if you want to look into them, So these contract addresses will be placed in our Telegram channel, so that those who want to get the correct contract address can go there to get them. So remember that nothing in this video should be taken as a financial advice. So we shall continue with the other part of our series, of our web transfer series, how to trade on centralized and decentralized exchanges, how to secure our wallet, the security of our wallet, very important, of our assets, very important. So many people have been requesting that we should give the coins to pay attention to, or the tokens to pay attention to. So that's why we have to bring this video earlier. Now, please also, especially when you want to trade in Web3, you want to store your tokens in Web3, when eventually the bull run comes, you will have to exchange your tokens, and when you are doing that, you will need the native coin of the network in which you are trading. So even if you are buying anything in the Solana network, make sure you have at least a portion of Solana to cover up for the gas fee. It's the same thing with Ethereum, with the same thing with Binance, BNB. Any coin you are holding tokens in the network, make sure you have a portion of that coin. Very important. So if there is any clarification, anything you want to understand, you can ask us in the comment section of this video, and we attend to you and reply to you. So this is all we have for you today. Please, if you have found value in this video, do well to subscribe to our channel, like this video, also hit the bell icon to all set, so that each time we make new videos, you'll be one of those to be notified first. It will come your way again next time. Remain yours.